That's the thing that Kelsey's working on right now. That's on. Anyways, there's Mayo. Hello. Yeah. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Say I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Yay. Oh yeah. Right there. Right there. Awkward. Right there. Right there. Right there. Ow. Ow, you just got. Ow. Ow. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Right in the butt. Ow. Oh, hello. Hey. Whoop. It's me, and it's Trub. Me, Trub. Oh, hello. Peace. Well, anyways, really, we're gonna go outside for a second. See what the heck is up with these. Ow, with these people. But yeah, so yeah, that's a dead hamster buried there. I just can't find the paper to prove it to you guys. But I can dig it up if you want, but I'm not going to because I'll get in trouble. And I'll probably get grounded. There's the freaking 9-foot cat that we have. I have to look all the way up with this thing just to see it. I have a couple tools here that we can play with. First of all, I got the basketball hoop. That's one thing that you're gonna need to play yourself. Okay, I'm gonna get this on shot. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Anyways, I'm gonna try not to cuss on this YouTube series, but you know, there's just sometimes that I'm gonna say like, what the hell? Like, just right now, what the hell? Okay, I'm gonna say those. Damn it, and sometimes the other cuss words, but it's up with the behavior of what's going on. You see. I'm not a guy of cussing. I'm not a kid of you. Moldy pumpkin. Anyways, I'm not a big, huge fan of cussing, but I do a lot. So till next time, guys. Peace.